Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to deal with the scary stuff that shows up right on your screen. The pop-ups, the fake warnings, and those free downloads that turn out to be anything but free. By the end, you'll know how to tell a real warning from a fake one, and exactly what to do when one tries to spook you. Let's start with the fake warning pop-up, because this is the one that scares people the most. You're browsing along, and bang, a big window jumps up. Maybe it's bright red, maybe there's a loud beeping sound. It says something like, "Warning, your computer is infected with 5 viruses. The screen is flashing and looks urgent." In every case, there's a number to call or a button to click. Here's the truth, that is almost always fake. It's not your computer talking to you, it's just a web page designed to look like an alarm. Real protection on your computer is quiet. It doesn't beep at you and tell you to call a phone number. So the louder and scarier a warning is, and the more it wants you to call somebody, the more sure you can be that it's a fake. So how do you tell a real warning from a fake one? Here's a simple guide. A real warning never asks you to call a phone number. We covered that back in lesson 1. Remember, the companies don't call you. A real warning never demands money to fix it on the spot, and a real warning doesn't have a countdown timer or scream that your computer will be destroyed in 5 minutes. All that drama? That's the tell. That's fake. Now here's the part everybody worries about. But John, what if it won't let me close it? It's taking up my whole screen. Don't panic. I've got you. You've got 2 easy ways out. The first, look for a way to close just the window. And this is important, don't click any button inside that scary pop-up, because even the X or the close button in there can be a trick. Instead, close the whole web browser. And if that won't work, here's the move that always works. Just turn the computer off. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts all the way down. Wait a moment and turn it back on. That pop-up will be gone, like it was never there. And I promise you, holding that power button to shut down is completely safe. You're not going to break anything. It's the universal escape hatch, and it works every time. Now let's talk about the second danger in this lesson, sketchy downloads. You'll see offers for free things, a free game, a free coupon printer, a free program to speed up your computer or clean up viruses. And sometimes a website will say you need to download something to watch a video or open a file. Here's your rule. If you didn't go looking for it, don't download it, especially anything that claims it'll fix or speed up or protect your computer. A huge number of those are the very thing that infects it. The free gift is the hook or bait. The best habit is to only download programs you actually went searching for from companies you've heard of. So let's wrap it up. Scary loud warnings are fake, real ones are quiet. Never click inside a pop-up, close the browser, or just power the machine off and back on. And if you didn't go looking for that download, leave it alone. And of course, if a pop-up has you worried, or you think you clicked something you shouldn't have, don't lose any sleep over it. Bring your device to me and I'll check it over and make sure everything's clean. That's what I'm here for. In our final lesson, we'll cover the most important one of all, exactly what to do if you think you've already been scammed. I'll see you there. I'm John with Mountain Home Computer Repair.
Mountain Home Computer Repair. We reboot the chaos.